Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to an amazing tool that can help you create beautiful designs. Even if you are not a designer, it's called Canva. Canva is a powerful graphic design platform that offers a wide range of features and tools to create stunning design. It's incredibly user friendly and requires no prior design experience. With Canva, you can create anything from social media graphics and presentations to logos, flyers, posters, and more. It offers a vast library of pre-designed templates, images, fonts, and illustrations that you can use to kickstart your design. One of the best things about Canva is that it's completely online. You don't need to download any software or worry about compatibility issues. Simply log into your account and you are ready to start designing. Canva is also very affordable. While the basic version is free, you can upgrade to Canva Pro for access to additional features and assets, including more templates, images, and fonts. So whether you are a small business owner, marketer, educator, or student, Canva is an excellent tool for creating professional design quickly and easily. So guys, first of all, I want to introduce you some basic functions of Canva. Look at this design spotlight. As you see, visual documents, presentation, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts, photos and videos, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, and print options, business cards, invitations, mugs, t-shirts, design, hoodies, calendars, labels, logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, QR code generators. And the other one is business. If you want to design any design related the business, you can see there content creation, visual communication, brand management, solutions. You can see also solutions, marketing, creative agencies, sales, communication, media and publishing, startups, real estate. And the other thing is resources, business, case studies, features, integration and app, visual worksuits, Canva, teams. And the third point is education. In this tool, teachers and schools, students, free teacher resource, LMS, integration, case studies, higher education. These all things are common to use. We actually know about this tool also, plans and pricing. This is free version of Canva. You can edit anything with the free version. There is pro and teams. The other thing is learn. In this section, you can learn anything. You can take help center design school, events below, create top designs. Now we are in home and the next bar is projects. In this section, you will be able to see your last projects that you made on Canva. This is template. So guys, you are seeing many types of templates. You can edit anything at any time. As we can see here in the all templates, we have many types of templates: business, social media, video, marketing, custom prints, cards and invitation, education, photos, icons, logos, etc. Okay guys, today we are going to design a banner. Let's start our magic. First of all, customize size, create new design. Now we need a background here. So now what should we do for background color? Background color bar. As you can see, there are many types of colors. You can select any type of color. I love that color. Now we need some elements here. I'm going to select that one and now just crop this. I need some more elements, so I will choose any other element, that one and that one also for corner. I will select this one too and also select this one. I will like to use this one. I have also need some text in design, so I will choose this one and this one also. Okay guys, let's start our magic here using these elements. Now we need to align these elements. Just flip that, flip horizontal and make a duplicate for other side. Just create a duplicate copy of this one also. Okay guys, our design is ready now and we are going to publish this. And one more last thing guys, you have to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel please. Thank you so much guys.